If you want to make your text stand out on X, formerly known as Twitter, and you're wondering how to bold text on X.com, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super quick and easy method to create bold text and paste it directly into your X post composer. This is a great trick for making your tweets, bios, replies, and announcements more eye-catching without needing any special software or paid tools. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and search for a bold text generator. There are lots of free ones online, and they all work in a similar way. Once you open the generator, you'll usually see a text box where you can type or paste the text you want to format. Go ahead and enter the text you want to make bold. This could be a tweet, a headline, a call to action, or even part of your profile bio. After you enter your text, the generator will display different font styles below or beside the box. Look through the list and select the bold option. When you click the bold version, the generator will convert your text into a bold Unicode style that you can copy and use on X. Next, click the copy button. This will save the bold text to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you want. Now open X.com or the Twitter app and go to the Composer box where you create a new post. You can also use this trick in replies, quotes, and profile sections that allow text input. Once you're in the Composer, simply paste the text using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. On mobile, just tap and hold, then paste. You should now see your bold-styled text appear inside the post box. From here, you can add the rest of your tweet, hashtags, images, or links, and then post it like normal. A quick tip, because this is based on Unicode characters and not actual font formatting, it usually works across most devices and browsers. That means your bold text should still display properly for your audience. And that's it. Now you know how to bold text on X.com or Twitter in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.